In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PowerPoint presentation to a PDF file, upload it for sharing, and seamlessly add a button or link to access the document. This process is immensely helpful for situations where you need to share presentations in a universally accessible format or simply want to make your presentation linkable for easy access. To begin with, let's talk about converting your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF. Open your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you have your file open and everything is ready to go, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This is your gateway to all your document-related options. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Save As or Export, depending on your version of PowerPoint. Click on one of these options. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose the format you want to save your file as. In the Format option, select PDF from the list. Now choose your desired save location on your computer where the PDF will be stored. Finally, click Save. This converts your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF document, keeping the file format universal and easy to access for anyone. Next, let's move on to uploading your newly created PDF file so that it can be shared easily. You need a platform on which to host your file. Common platforms include Google Drive, Dropbox, or Microsoft's OneDrive. For example, if you choose Google Drive, first log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on New, found on the left side of the screen, then select File Upload from the options. In the File Explorer window that appears, navigate to where you saved your PDF, select it, and click Open. Google Drive will upload your file, displaying it in your list of files once the process is complete. Now that your file is available online, the final step involves adding a button or link to access it. Consider the platform or medium you intend to share your link on. This will determine your specific method. If you're embedding a link on a website, ensure you have the correct editing permissions. Begin by copying the shareable link from your file hosting service. You can usually obtain this by right-clicking on the file in the platform, like Google Drive, and selecting Get Shareable Link. Now, if you're managing a website or blog, you can log into your editor and highlight the text or button you'd like to link. Click the link icon, often represented as a chain link, within the editor's toolbar. You'll then paste the copied URL into the provided field. If it's in an email or a document, the process is similar. Highlight the text, add a hyperlink, and paste the link you've copied, ensuring access for those who click. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully converted your PowerPoint presentation to a PDF, uploaded it, and created accessible links or buttons for sharing. This method not only makes your presentations more flexible and widely accessible, but it also makes sharing them more practical for both